A good paint sprayer can save hours, but the wrong one can leave you fighting drips, clogs, and uneven coverage. Here are 5 models ranked from the weakest overall option to the strongest. In 5th place is the DTEZTECH. Its biggest strength is easy to understand, no power cord. If you already own Milwaukee M18 batteries, you can move around fences, doors, and furniture without dragging an extension cord behind you. The brushless motor and 4 nozzle sizes give it more flexibility than many basic cordless sprayers. You can adjust the spray pattern, material flow, and working distance, while low voltage and overload protection help protect the tool and battery. But there is a problem. Important details such as container capacity and clear coating limits are not well documented, and the listed output figures described inconsistently. Compared with the Bosch, this model feels less proven and comes with much weaker technical support. So this is mainly for someone who already owns Milwaukee batteries and wants a light, convenient sprayer for occasional work. If you want clearer specifications and more useful cleaning features, the next model is more convincing. Links to all products in this review at the best available prices are in the description below the video. 4th place goes to the Vonforn. On paper, it offers a lot for the money, especially if you need a sprayer for walls, fences, doors, or furniture, and do not mind working near an outlet. You get 4 nozzle sizes, horizontal, vertical, and circular patterns, plus adjustable paint flow. The dust-blowing connector is useful before spraying, and the hose cleaning attachment makes cleanup less awkward than with many simple handheld models. The weak point is confidence. Its specifications look strong, but manufacturer documentation and long-term support are not as complete as they are with HomeRite, Bosch, or Wagner. And because it is corded, it cannot match the freedom of the 2 battery-powered models. This model suits a budget-focused buyer who wants plenty of accessories and does not need premium support. But if warranty coverage and a more established setup matter more, the HomeRite is the safer step up. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if this comparison is helping you choose. In 3rd place is the HomeRite SuperFinish Max. For me, this is where the ranking starts to feel more serious, because the tool combines useful adjustment, broad coating support, and a stronger warranty. Its 3 brass tips cover fine work and wider surfaces, while the fine and wide air caps help you switch between furniture and larger projects. It works with latex paint, primer, stain, polyurethane, varnish, and both water-based and oil-based coatings. The limitation is that airflow is not as adjustable as it is on the Wagner. Some coatings may also need thinning, and the cord makes it less convenient than the Bosch when you are moving around a large fence or working away from an outlet. Choose this one if you want a dependable all-round corded sprayer with clear support and a 2-year warranty. But if cordless freedom matters more than uninterrupted runtime, the Bosch is the more practical choice. Second place goes to the Bosch. What stands out immediately is the balance between mobility and control. You get a cordless body without giving up separate adjustment for paint flow and airflow. The 2 air caps let you choose faster coverage or a finer finish, and the large container is useful for a cordless handheld unit. It can spray wall paint, lacquer, varnish, primer, clear coat, wood preservative, and oil. Still, battery power has limits. Runtime is around 22 minutes with a 2.5 ampere-hour battery and 35 minutes with a 4.0 ampere-hour battery. And wall paint needs at least some thinning. For long, non-stop jobs, the Wagner and HomeRite are easier to keep running. The Bosch is ideal if you value freedom of movement and already use the Bosch 18-volt battery system. But for the widest range of control and the best mix of wall coverage and detail work, the top-ranked model goes further. At number 1 is the Wagner Flexio 595. It takes the top spot because it handles both broad wall coverage and smaller finish work better than the other models in this group. The iSpray nozzle is built for larger surfaces, while the Detail Finish nozzle gives you more control on furniture and trim. You also get 12 power settings, adjustable paint flow, adjustable width, and multiple spray patterns. That level of control is the main reason it ranks above the HomeRite. It is not flawless. The cord limits movement, some paints may still need thinning, and the standard household warranty is only 1 year. The iSpray nozzle can also leave more texture than a true fine finish setup. But if you want one sprayer that can move from walls to furniture without feeling too limited, this is the strongest overall choice here. It offers the clearest mix of speed, control, coating range, and included equipment. Check the top-ranked products through the links in the description below the video, where you can compare the latest available prices. And remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more clear, practical product comparisons.